Wellington is the southernmost capital in the world. With the steep streets throughout the city, Wellingtonians are known to be some of the fittest New Zealanders.
The steep streets of Wellington.
Wellington has 50,000 hectares of forests and regional parks. It's also packed with over 400 cafes and restaurants, which on a per-person basis rivals that of New York. Famous explorer Richard Byrd's concept of Antarctica as the Great White Continent of Peace was a prelude to the Antarctic Treaty. Legend has it that the beehive, the city's well-known parliament building, was in fact designed on the back of a napkin as a joke. The designer never thought for a moment it would be built.
We've been to the parliament.
And they got a bit out of control.
Oh, I wouldn't say so. It was just normal.
The cable car started operation in February 1902. Since the 1979 upgrade, each car has completed more than 1 million trips. This is the view from our hotel.
The colonies and for Frisco and for France. I signed on board a limey bark, the Hotspur. And got paralytic drunk on the advance.